minute and we'll begin, huh? It's almost for 1 o'clock and 47 minutes. वीडियो ऑन करो तो आप एक लोगों को पहचानो तो सही ना एक दूसरे को। ठीक है, now let's begin. There is only 81 students are here. So I have assigned one homework. है ना? How many of you have done it? None of you? पहले तो ये बोलो कि होमवर्क क्या दिया था, याद है?
To
Ma'am,
make a
peer
checklist
assessment on pedagogy subject.
One by one. क्या होमवर्क
हमें
दिया?
peer assessment के रिलेटेड कोई एक्टिविटी प्लान करना था हमारे कोई भी एक पेडागोजी सब्जेक्ट में।
ओके,
checklist बनानी थी।
चेकलिस्ट बनानी थी। किसी ने बनाई चेकलिस्ट? मैंने एक एग्जांपल दिया था आपको। Is anyone have tried it? कुछ भी लिखा हो पीयर असेसमेंट के बारे में आपने? नहीं किया? ठीक है, दूसरा भी एक होमवर्क दिया था, नॉट ओनली दिस मच। व्हाट वाज दैट? बोलो, फटाफट बोलो। होमवर्क तो बोल सकते हो ना, किया नहीं है वो बात अलग है।
सेल्फ असेसमेंट वाला कुछ था, सेल्फ असेसमेंट खुद से करना था कुछ।
सेल्फ असेसमेंट करना था, ओके ओके। उसके बारे में मैंने बोला था कि यू जस्ट ट्राई टू, है ना, रीड अबाउट दिस सेल्फ असेसमेंट, व्हाट इट इज एग्जैक्टली। ओके, किसी ने पढ़ा सेल्फ असेसमेंट? क्यों सब वीडियो ऑफ कर रहे हैं बारी बारी? तो आप लोग तो रेगुलर नहीं हो, इसका मतलब यही हुआ ना।
नहीं मैम, वो छुट्टी थी ना तो सब भूल गए।
छुट्टी थी इसीलिए तो दिया था। ठीक है, चलो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे सेल्फ असेसमेंट के बारे में, है ना। बट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग अबाउट डिस्कसिंग दिस सेल्फ असेसमेंट, टेल मी व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द पीयर असेसमेंट? हमने लास्ट क्लास में पूरा डिटेल में देखा था। कितना याद है? अभी वो तो बोल सकते हो ना, आपको ये होमवर्क नहीं है आपका। चलो बोलो फटाफट।
Ma'am, peer assessment means students of equal status, they are given responsibility, and that responsibility is based on a fixed evaluation criteria.
Okay, fixed evaluation criteria. Okay, well try, Shruti. Na, Sanskruti. What's your name?
Ma'am, Kruti. Only Kruti.
Only Kruti. Okay. Anyone else?
मैम हमने वो एग्जांपल देखा था, जैसे बीएड का क्लास चल रहा हो तो अदर स्टूडेंट्स आर प्रेजेंट इन क्लास,
हाँ,
वो भी
वो
एक
मैंने
पेयर
एग्जांपल दिया, वो भी एक असेसमेंट है ना। एंड यू पीपल आर आल्सो गोइंग टू डू द सेम थिंग्स इन द नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर.
Ma'am, here feedback should be received in a positive manner.
Yes, okay.
एंड मैम अगर हम किसी और
One
का
by one.
असेसमेंट
कौन बोल रहा है अभी? Please say your name at least.
अंकित मैम अंकित
Ankit. हाँ, yes, Ankit. Say.
अगर हम किसी का असेसमेंट कर रहे हैं मतलब पीयर असेसमेंट में तो हमें खुद भी पता चलेगा हमें कौन से पॉइंट्स कवर करने हैं कैसे पढ़ाना है मतलब वो दोनों साइड से बेनिफिशियल
हाँ, है ना? ओके ओके ओके। फिर हमने और भी एग्जांपल्स देखे थे अपार्ट फ्रॉम द बीएड, सब्जेक्ट वाइज एग्जांपल देखे थे, है ना? कि जब हम पीयर असेसमेंट करते हैं, है ना, तो इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट के टीचर्स आर लाइक नॉट डूइंग द असेसमेंट, but along with the peers, teachers is also doing the assessment of the students. Okay, so to provide the peer assessment, what kind of seats are being provided by the teachers to the student to do the peer assessment? मैंने दो नाम बोले थे, एक तो आपने अभी बोल दिया चेकलिस्ट, जो मैंने आपको बोला था बनाने के लिए,
Rubrics.
है ना? So मैंने rubrics भी बोला था कि even the teachers can give the rubrics and we have seen the example of one rubrics also, है ना, कि कैसे दिए जाता है इंग्लिश वाला रिटर्न ऐसे का हमने एग्जांपल देखा था. So simply like by involving the students in the peer assessment, simply teacher can bring them to the self assessment. Okay, so first na teacher should have to introduce the peer assessment to the students, and once they acquainted with the evaluation practice, slowly teacher has also start to do the self assessment, है ना? So by doing these things, another way the teacher is involving the students in the assessment process. But in here self assessment, what exactly the students are doing, instead of evaluating the other students of their own age, they are also evaluating the themselves. Now how the teacher will do these things? See, informally students are doing these things, but we now we need to bring this self assessment in a formal way. So how this teacher can introduce these things to the students in the classroom?
Ma'am, teacher
Yes.
can call student on board and try to solve certain examples like that. जैसे मैथमेटिक्स के एग्जांपल्स पर वो फिर उनको ही पूछे कि उनकी कहाँ गलती है, लाइक किसी ने अगर गलत सॉल्यूशन किया है तो उनको.
ओके, किसने बोला? प्लीज से योर नेम. कल्याणी.
मैम कल्याणी. यस मैम.
हाँ, कल्याणी. इज इट द सेल्फ असेसमेंट और इट इज द असेसमेंट बाय द टीचर्स?
No ma'am, if teacher try to rectify the student then it is through teacher, but if teacher as like हमारे मैम हमको बोलते थे कि आपने कहीं मिस्टेक किया then find it out. They take your time but find it out.
So you are giving this example from your own experience, है ना कल्याणी? So how your teacher used to do this self assessment technique? Can you please elaborate this further, Kalyani?
Like in mathematics class, like trigonometry के मैम teachers पढ़ाने के बाद sums solve करने बुलाते थे. तो many a time it happened that one or two step में कुछ गड़बड़ होती थी तो final result effect हो जाता था. So teacher used to say go on your desk and try to solve it in a notebook and then show me. If you अगर उसको पता चलता है कि क्या प्रॉब्लम है then it's fine, वरना टीचर खुद बताते थे at the end.
Okay, Kalyani, is it not exactly the self-assessment? But yes, through this way, the teacher can also do the self-assessment. है ना? Actually, what happened in the like in peer assessment, we have seen that when we are giving this peer assessment technique to the students, the teacher provides the predetermined criteria to the students. Yes or no? We have seen that how to do the assessment. Either in the form of checklist or in the form. किसी का microphone on है, please. हाँ, please switch off your microphone. Okay, we have seen in our earlier class that to implement the peer assessment, teacher is supposed to provide the predetermined criteria for the assessment to the students. है ना? That may be in the form of like the checklist, maybe in the form of the rubrics and the other techniques. That means students are aware of what are the criteria on which they are going to be assessed their friends. Yes or no? That we have seen in our earlier class. है ना?
Yes,
So now we are involving the students, है ना? And we want the students to evaluate themselves, है ना? That means students should also be aware of that how to evaluate themselves. Okay, so the one of the way of doing the self-assessment technique that make the students aware about their own mistakes and their own learnings, where they are exactly, है ना? Because teachers are used to tell the students that yes, you are doing the mistake in this way. That is one assessment technique, है ना? That is the assessment which is done by the teachers. The another is peer assessment. When we are doing the peer assessment, their students, their friends are also used to tell them, okay, what's their where they are standing, है ना? And what is the position of their learning. Similar way, by implementing this self-assessment technique, the teacher tried to make them aware about their own learning. Okay, and to do these things, mainly teacher are using the reflection technique. Okay, you have learned the techniques, three main techniques of evaluation. Which are they? Tell me. In the first unit.
Testing, measurement,
Testing.
assessment.
Testing, okay. फिर
Measurement, observation.
measurement. No, measurement is a technique. इसने बोला-
Observation,
wait.
self-reporting.
Yes.
Observation.
Observation and self reporting. अभी
Self-reporting.
किसने measurement को
Self-reporting.
technique बोला? Wait. Who said that measurement is the technique? Don't worry. Please tell your name. Please. Who said? Actually, by this, I want to give you the example of self-assessment. Please tell your name. Okay, you are not comfortable. It's okay. See, we are on a offline mode, like online mode. So I am not able to identify each and every student that who gave this example. But when you are telling me that measurement is one of the techniques. See, now I am using the formative assessment technique. Yes or no? And I come to know that many students are still facing the problem in understanding the three major techniques of evaluation. है ना? That is the testing, observation, and the self-reporting. But when you are saying me that measurement is also one of the techniques of evaluation, that means that particular student is facing the problem in understanding both the concept of the measurement, and the concept of the techniques of the evaluation. Okay, whoever gave this answer, please correct yourself that measurement is only one of the steps of evaluation. And which steps? Can anybody tell me? Measurement is which
ma'am.
step?
Third step.
Third step, ma'am.
Measuring the
Measuring learning outcomes.
outcomes. Okay, so that is not the techniques of the evaluation, but measurement is the part of the evaluation, third steps of the evaluation. Okay, now come to the point why I asked this question, that what are the three major techniques. Third techniques is the self-reporting. Tell me, what do you mean by the self-reporting?
Ma'am, in self-reporting,
It is a
teacher
One by
directly.
ma'am, it is a technique is direct student itself report to teacher directly.
And what they are reporting?
Like their interest, hobbies.
Just like hobbies and all.
Okay. So in a self-assessment, now you have that clarity about the concept of self-reporting, that there are major things which can be only reported by the students about their interest, about their what are their hobbies and everything. Okay, and if being a teacher, we want to know that we use these self-reporting techniques. Okay, The same way, to implement this self-assessment technique, we can take the use of self-reporting technique. Okay, where they are reflecting about their own learning, है ना? So to use this assessment, teacher like mainly how they can just simply ask the student that make a list of the things which you have learned in this class. Okay, so that is one way. Like after completing this class, I may ask you to that prepare a list of the self-assessment technique. And if any students are facing the problem in preparing the list of self-assessment technique, it means student themselves understand कि yes, I am facing this problem in here. Okay, so in the next class we can discuss about that things. Okay, so in a self-assessment, what exactly these teachers are like doing, they are asking these students to reflect on their own learning, what they know and what they don't know. Okay, and if they know, or if, like for example, अगर मैं मैथ्स का एक एग्जांपल लूं कि मैथ्स में 8 या 9 स्टैंडर्ड में हम बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं कंटेंट, there are the many content we are teaching them. For example, a plus b whole square, है ना? Let me share the screen. I am sharing the whiteboard. Huh? I am sharing the whiteboard. Is it visible to all of you? My whiteboard?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? Like,
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. It's
Anpura?
yes, ma'am. Something went wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
दिख रहा है।
ma'am.
Because I have login from
Yes,
2
ma'am.
devices, so I can see in my other devices. Yes, it's visible. Okay. So, for example, don't write on the whiteboard. Don't write on the whiteboard from your side. Okay.
Okay,
A
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
plus. Please don't write on the whiteboard from your side. Don't touch the screen on your mobile screen. This is one of the concept in the mathematics. A plus b whole square. है ना? What is the answer of these? A square,
A square plus
A
2
plus 2ab plus
A
b
square
AB.
plus 2ab plus
Very
b
nice.
square.
b square. Okay. टीचर ने ये कंसेप्ट क्लास में पढ़ाया. Don't write from your own from your side. Please don't write. Otherwise ना मैं आप सबको
मैम सॉरी फॉर इंटरप्शन बट सेल फोन में ये अवेलेबल नहीं है व्हाइट बोर्ड.
हमें तो दिखता ही नहीं है मैम, कहाँ से लिखे?
ब्लैक दिखा रहा है।
नहीं अवेलेबल
हम
है.
उसको कोशिश करते हैं कुछ
नहीं
करने
है विजिबल
अवेलेबल है, दिख रहा है।
विजिबल.
Approximately
हमने
50
फोन से
so
ज्वाइन
that's not able.
अगर आपने
अन्नपूर्णा
एरर आ रही है.
Annapurna, please Annapurna, is it visible? My whiteboard is visible.
मैम एक्चुअली विजिबल आई थिंक उनको सेल फोन में प्रॉब्लम इसलिए आ रही है बिकॉज ब्राइटनेस का इश्यू होगा. ब्राइटनेस बढ़ा दे घटा दे.
भूमिका मैडम.
Yes,
भूमिका
please
मैडम.
say your name.
सी आपके मैं भी अभी मोबाइल से अटैच्ड हूँ. आपके मोबाइल में थोड़ा स्क्रीन को आगे पीछे स्क्रॉल कीजिए, येलो कलर का बॉक्स दिखेगा, दैट इज योर व्हाइट बोर्ड. स्क्रीन बहुत बड़ी है और यू नैरो डाउन योर स्क्रीन, आपको दिखेगा. आपको उस व्हाइट बोर्ड का एक कोना दिख रहा है जहाँ पे मैडम नहीं लिख रही हैं.
सोनिया दिख रहा है ना मोबाइल पे? Because first time I am using this.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, दिख रहा है।
It is visible.
Okay, कौन
दिख
लिख रहा
रहा
है
है।
अभी? कौन लिख रहा है?
मैम
Please.
जो जीमेल से लॉगिन नहीं करते, जो व्हाट्सएप वाली ग्रुप से लिंक करते हैं, उनको मोस्टली
Please.
व्हाइट
Okay,
बोर्ड नहीं
okay.
दिखता.
ओके
हाँ।
मरियम
Yes,
ओके
ma'am.
जिनको दिख रहा है वो देखे, जिनको नहीं दिख रहा है प्लीज लिसन माय एक्सप्लेनेशन. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग वन एग्जांपल, है ना. That is one of the concept which is related to the mathematics. That is a plus b whole square, and the answer is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now imagine a situation. Teacher is explaining this concept for one period. Okay. Then after, teacher may make a list of the statement with that I can, है ना, and the rest of the things will be filled by the students regarding this concept. ठीक है, जैसे कि I can write the answer of a plus b whole square on my own. That is one answer जो student लिख सकते हैं. फिर student लिख सकते हैं I am facing the problem in understanding the concept of the square, है ना. Student may write that I can write the answer of this but with the help of my friend. Okay, so like this is also one example which I am giving to you regarding this self assessment technique. Like after completion of one period, teacher may force the student to ponder about the learning which is happening, whether they are understanding the concept or not, and they will write on their own. They will complete. See, I can, that is only one example of self assessment technique, है ना, where the teacher is providing the set statement which is completed by the students, and this statement is regarding the learning which is happening for one period. Okay, so when they are writing yes I can do it, that means student खुद समझ रहे हैं कि yes ये concept मेरे को समझ में आ रहा है. ठीक है, when students are writing that I need a help of my friends, that means they are understanding the concept but for few steps they need the help of their friends, है ना. So क्लास में बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं वो खुद कर लेंगे ये एग्जाम्पल अपने आप, है ना. जैसे कि ये सिर्फ टीचर्स ने ये कंसेप्ट सिखाया a प्लस बी स्क्वायर, है ना. अभी उसका एग्जाम्पल स्टूडेंट टीचर दे सकती है, दैट मीन्स 2 प्लस 3 होल स्क्वायर. अभी बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट ऐसे होंगे जिसको a प्लस बी स्क्वायर का आता है एग्जाम्पल, बट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द सम्स व्हिच इज प्रोवाइडेड बाय द टीचर, दैट इज 2 प्लस 3 होल स्क्वायर. उसका आंसर क्या आएगा?
25.
3 होल
25.
स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू, पहले तो लिखना पड़ेगा 2 स्क्वायर
I
प्लस
square.
2 ab मीन्स 2 ब्रैकेट में 2 प्लस सॉरी इंटू 3 प्लस 3 होल स्क्वायर. दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप्स. एम आई राइट?
यस मैम.
है ना.
Yes,
अब बच्चों को यहाँ तक आया, कुछ बच्चे को यहाँ तक आ गया according to the concept which is explained by the teacher, that is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab. उसके आगे बहुत सारे बच्चों को स्क्वायर ही नहीं आता है ना. 2 स्क्वायर मीन्स व्हाट? 2 into 2. तो जहां पे जो बच्चों को ये नहीं आता है वो लिखेंगे अपने आप कि आई एम नॉट एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई द स्क्वायर ऑफ गिवन नंबर. That means that particular students need to work upon the square. True or not? So this is one kind of technique which is used by the teacher for self-assessment, where after completion of one period, teacher will provide them the sheet where the students are required to complete the whole statement. आधा statement ही टीचर देंगे कि I can do the first step. That means बच्चों को वहां तक आता है. जिनको सब आता है वो लिख लेंगे कि I can do everything. तो वो बच्चों को वो भी पता चलेगा कि I have understand the concept thoroughly, है ना. एंड जब ये बच्चे ये करते हैं तो तब उनको पता चलता है कि उनको कहाँ पे काम करने की जरूरत है, where they are lacking. So by doing this self assessment, learner get to know their strength and weaknesses regarding one particular content area. Okay, the same seats the teacher can provide it. Even teacher can provide them the checklist for particular content जहाँ पे they will tick mark, yes I can do this, I can do this, which we have seen in our earlier class regarding the peer assessment, है ना, where the teacher is provided them the seats. Are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? So if the teacher can provide them the list of the items which the students can do on their own, and they will tick mark, I can do this, I cannot do this. So even the teacher can use the same sheet which they are providing for the peer assessment for self-assessment. Okay, which we have seen earlier. Even the teacher can provide them the rubrics for the self-assessment also, where the student themselves identified where they are standing with the help of given rubrics of particular content area. Clear up to this? But apart from that checklist, rubrics, the another technique which I have introduced today, that is I can. Teacher can provide them the I can statement which are being filled up by the students. Okay. The another way of doing the self-assessment is students' portfolio and students' profile. Now, student profile is what? Students are making the list of their own activity which they have done, and they are reporting this activity to the teachers. So while preparing the work or the activity which is assigned by the particular subject, teacher are making the list of that thing, students are actually reflecting on the works which they are doing, which they have already done. है ना? So student can also prepare their own profile, student profile. है ना? So teacher need to explain them. Before introducing the self-assessment technique, actually teacher need to explain them how to prepare the student profile. है ना? So student profile can be prepared by the teacher and even the student themselves also, to reporting their own work, project work, reporting their own group work, है ना, to the teacher. So by that way, when they are preparing their own profile, they are reflecting on the works, they are reflecting on the assignment, they are reflecting on the project work which is being done by them. है ना? And by this way, they are doing the self-assessment. Because while preparing the profile, when they are writing कि I have done this work in this group activity, so they are reflecting कि मैंने ये किया था, मैं ये कर सकता था, है कि नहीं? So they are doing the self-reflecting technique, and they are reporting this thing to the teachers. Okay, so today we see that to do the self-assessment, for the use of self-assessment, either teacher can use checklist, rubrics, student profile, है ना? And the another is I can statement, where after completion of each task, students themselves are writing that I can do this, I cannot do this. Clear up to this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let me show one example. Okay, na? So wait, huh? Again, I am presenting my screen. we have seen this checklist. Is my screen is visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the same sheet can be used for the self assessment also, है ना? Like ये sheet जो है peer editing checklist for what essay writing, है ना? So after completing the essay writing, student themselves also evaluate कि main idea is clearly stated in the introduction. Did I do this or not? अगर स्टूडेंट ने किया होगा तो वो यस पे टिक करेगा और नो पे. So similar way they are assessing their peers, the same manner they will assess themselves also. Okay, so checklist can also be used for the purpose of self assessment. Even the rubrics, yes. yes कर सकते हैं. See, no. See, checklist बनाया है. What is the purpose of preparing the checklist? ये क्या? Level, है ना? What is your name? Prabhat. Yes. So how do the teacher will prepare this? जैसे कि ये checklist किसी language on certain criteria. So do you think that it will be different for different students? है ना? So same criteria ना? हाँ. So it is not like that कि self evaluation के लिए अलग criteria है और peer evaluation के लिए अलग criteria है. हाँ, है ना? Because this while the prepare is preparing this criteria for evaluation, it is the standard criteria for evaluating particular content. है ना? So it will be similar, like it will be same for all the students in your classroom. You know, in earlier class, what we have seen that this can be used by the peer to assess their own friend, but this same criteria can be used by the students to evaluate themselves also. Clear? And that is what I am trying to say you. Okay, apart from checklist, rubrics, and there are the other techniques which the students can use for self-evaluation, which I have introduced today. That is completing I can statement, preparing their own portfolio or profile for particular assignment or for particular project work. So student can use the checklist also for their evaluation of themselves. They can use the rubric also because the criteria will remain same. Clear, Prabhat? Okay.
Ma'am, I want to add one thing.
Mariam.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
मैम जो एग्जांपल दिया था डिक्टेशन का कि मैम डिक्टेशन लेते हैं बोर्ड्स पे सही वर्ड लिखे होते हैं, पीयर प्रेशर अगर मतलब दो स्टूडेंट्स बैठे तो एक दूसरे की बुक एक्सचेंज करके देखते हैं और जो लास्ट स्टूडेंट है वो खुद ही असेस करता है अपना. टीचर जब बोलते हैं बी ऑनेस्ट टू योरसेल्फ एंड चेक योर आंसर बाय योरसेल्फ, तो वो भी तो सेल्फ असेसमेंट और पीयर असेसमेंट दोनों एक साथ चल रहे हैं वहां पर भी.
yes है ना? बट that is what I am trying to say that कि वो तो हम same criteria दे सकते हैं like checklist also, rubrics also, है ना? तो जब वो use कर रहे हैं अपने दोस्तों को evaluate करने के लिए, the same criteria they will use for their own evaluation also. Okay, but apart from that, teacher can also implement the other techniques of self evaluation. That is preparing the profile, your own profile, है ना? Preparing like completing I can statement themselves. Student will write कि I can do this, I cannot do this. Okay, can I go further?
Yes.
Actually I want to show you. See this peer evaluation sheet, है ना, which I have shown you in the last class. कैन यू सी दैट योरसेल्फ? तो यहाँ पे वो पहले अपने आप का लिखेंगे इवैल्यूएशन. दिख रहा है आपको? ये दिखा अभी?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Blur है ma'am.
Yes,
Balls
ma'am.
dip. So the same sheet can be used for the peer evaluation also and the self evaluation also. But only thing is that teacher has to first introduce the self evaluation and slowly shift it to the, sorry, first introduce the peer evaluation and then slowly introduce the self evaluation. Okay. Now let me give one. The another technique which used by the teacher for evaluation, self evaluation. This is one online tool which I am showing you for peer and self evaluation. It is like teacher had divided the criteria in 3 categories. Wait, it's coming. अरे कहाँ चला गया? Wait, student, it's gone. Now see, यहाँ पे this is one self evaluation sheet which is used by the lower class, pre-primary class of the school. See, here students will write the name and the date. Now what I can do, themselves they will tick mark, है ना? तो टीचर ने पहले explanation दिया है यहाँ पे. Green light, very well. That means that particular thing I can do very well. है ना? So जो वो very well कर सकते हैं, अच्छे से कर सकते हैं, वहां पे वो ये लिखेंगे. Then with the help, like some of the things to do that I need the help of the others. Okay, and red light means students will write that I cannot do this. Now see one thing, यहाँ पे say goodbye, है ना? That means if they can do it very well, they will write green button. They will fill it with the green color. है ना? As I told you that this is the seat for the pre-primary students. That the basic things are essential for the students. Okay, like say please and thank you. Are they doing these things or they need the help of either their parents or their friends? If they feel that yes, I need the help of some other people, they will fill it with the yellow color. जैसे कि my name I can write very well, है ना? फिर ask someone their name. ठीक है, अभी आगे देखो, आपको ध्यान से समझ में आएगा. Count up to 20. If the student feel that yes, I can count up to 20 without any error, they will fill it this box with the green color. Okay, and if they feel that to count 20 up to 20, they are taking the help of either their friends or their elder brothers and sisters or their parents, they will fill this with the help of येलो कलर. यहाँ पे जो उनको पहले डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया हुआ है, ठीक है. बट अगर वो गिन ही नहीं पाते हैं तो वो क्या करेंगे? दे विल फिल इट विद द रेड कलर. So here teacher have written for in this self-assessment sheet, teacher have written something which she has already taught or introduced to the pre-primary classroom, है ना? And student themselves are doing their evaluation. Okay, I can do this, I cannot do this. Now let me show you for bigger class. Up to this understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So the previous sheet I have shown you for the age group of 6 to 13 years, है ना? Now this is the self-evaluation sheet for speaking. That means language. We know that in language, LSRW are the main four things. Okay. So self-assessment reading. See. यहाँ पे भी सेम क्राइटेरिया दिया गया है पहले से. Can you see it? Rhythm, poses, intonation, है ना, diction, pronunciation, है ना. So this is the one of the sheet, self-evaluation sheets for evaluating speaking and reading criteria of any language. Clear up to this? How the teacher can use the self-evaluation?
Yes, ma'am.
So in next class, we'll see about how the students can prepare the student profile, their own profile.
Ma'am, attendance reminder.
Hey, wait.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, yes. Now, if you have any query, you can ask.
मैम ये सेल्फ असेसमेंट ये कब पता चलेगा कि टीचर को अब लेना है, सेल्फ असेसमेंट टेक्निक का यूज करना है?
See, teacher has slowly introduced the techniques, है ना, कि जहाँ पे बहुत सारे कंटेंट है. First, teacher has to decide on which content he or she wants to do the self evaluation.
Okay.
तो जब आप पढ़ाते हो, जैसे कि रिंकी, आपका सब्जेक्ट कौन सा है?
मैथमेटिक्स है मैम.
मैथमेटिक्स, है ना. तो बहुत सारे कंसेप्ट ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें इट्स बेटर कि टीचर विल डू दी टीचर असेसमेंट रादर देन गो फॉर दी सेल्फ इवैल्यूएशन और दी पीयर असेसमेंट. बट जो भी आप जब प्लानिंग करते हो, सी the main thing with this learning assessment for learning is that when you are planning your learning experience, at the same time you are also planning the assessment technique.
Okay.
रिंकी, so
Yes,
जब
ma'am.
आपने प्लान करना शुरू किया, first you need to understand the objective of teaching that particular content. So once being a teacher you are clear with your objective, you will plan your learning experience.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना. साथ ही में when you are planning your learning experience, the same time you are supposed to plan your assessment technique. So there are the content area where the teacher can use all of three techniques: self-evaluation technique, then the peer evaluation technique, and the teacher assessment technique.
Yes, ma'am.
So being a teacher, you need to understand the importance of the content area, and accordingly you select your technique, है ना. और
मैम ये डिपेंड.
yes, before, don't directly implement the peer evaluation. मैंने बोला ना, slowly shift करो student को self evaluation, because it is very difficult to like reflect on your own.
Okay.
So the main purpose of doing the self evaluation is that we are making them aware about their learnings, whether they have understand the concept or not.
Okay. मैम ये डिपेंड करेगा स्टूडेंट्स पे कि हम कौन सी टेक्निक यूज करते हैं.
Didn't get your question, Rinki.
मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स को जब हम पढ़ा रहे हैं तो हमें पता तो चल जाता है, तो क्या स्टूडेंट्स के बिहेवियर या उनके उससे हम डिसाइड कर सकते हैं टेक्निक? सिर्फ कंटेंट इम्पोर्टेंट है या स्टूडेंट का जो नॉलेज है या जो भी हम उनको एसेस करते हैं पूरे टीचिंग के थ्रू आउट,
हाँ,
तो वो भी एक क्राइटेरिया हो सकता है टेक्निक यूज करने के लिए, मतलब सिलेक्ट करने के लिए?
हाँ, yes. Why not, Rinki?
Okay, ma'am.
But the first thing is that when we are using the peer assessment and when we are using the self assessment, we need to like prepare our student for evaluation technique. So they should not be only focus on the grades.
Okay, ma'am.
है ना? The main purpose of assessment for learning is to facilitate the learning.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? So it is the responsibility of teacher to make them aware that don't focus on the grades and the marks. Focus on the learning.
Okay, ma'am.
See, try to understand the today's scenario. What is happening? Students are mainly like they are interested in the grades and the marks. So the basic purpose of assessment for learning is that only, that our examination system, our evaluation techniques, whatever, it should not only be grade oriented.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is why this peer assessment and self assessment is necessary. है ना? तो slowly पहले तो जैसे कि आपको क्या करना है कि आप ऐसे कंटेंट में peer assessment या self assessment करो और don't associate it with the grade in a very initial stage. Okay. Otherwise what happen, the whole purpose behind the peer assessment and self assessment will not serve.
Okay, ma'am.
So we have to like prepare our students for the assessment.
Yes, ma'am.
They should not only focus on the grade, because many a time what happened, 10 में से कितने मार्क्स आए, बच्चों को वही इंटरेस्ट होता है.
Yes, ma'am.
They are interested in that how much mark they have secure, how many marks they have secure in that particular assessment and test. तो पहले से तो उसमें से हमको बाहर निकालना है स्टूडेंट को, है ना? So we have to prepare them. Yes.
ऐसे आप बोल रही है, हाँ सोनल, वैसे आप बोल रही है उसका मतलब यही है ना कि बच्चों को हमें ग्रेड पे से बाहर निकाल के उनको मोटिवेशन देना है, डायरेक्टली या इनडायरेक्टली, कि ग्रेड पे डिपेंड मत करना, आप अपना दूसरा नॉलेज भी गेन करो.
Yes, Sonal. Yes. Initially, when you are using being a teacher, when initially you start assessment for learning, है ना? जैसे कि हम डे टू डे क्वेश्चनिंग करते हैं, है ना? मैं आपका ही एग्जांपल बोलूं कि अभी मैंने एक किसी ने आंसर दिया था, I said that say your name. Who gave this answer? मुझे नाम मिला अभी तक? नहीं मिला
No,
ना?
ma'am.
हाँ. So you like try to understand. अभी मैं ये बोल देती कि मैं जो भी क्लास में क्वेश्चन पूछने वाली हूँ, all questions are associated, जो जितना मार्क्स देगा वो देगा, ग्रेड इज इम्पोर्टेंट, हर एक को एक मार्क्स मिलेगा. तो क्या होगा, जितना फ्रीली आप आंसर दे रहे हो अभी वो दोगे आप?
नहीं मैम, नहीं दे पाए.
क्यों?
नहीं मैम,
क्यों?
बिकॉज
एक
ग्रेड्स
डर बना
एसोसिएटेड
रहेगा
है तो
कि क्या होगा.
गलत हो गया तो 0 मार्क्स आएगा, है ना?
हाँ, राइट.
हेलो.
हाँ. So yes.
अभी हम फॉर्मेटिव लर्निंग में भी हम इतने बड़े हैं फिर भी डर रहे हैं, तो छोटे बच्चों को हाउ विल वी मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड कि दिस इज नॉट फॉर ग्रेडिंग, दिस इज ओनली फॉर लर्निंग.
इसीलिए फॉर्मेटिव असेसमेंट का मेन पर्पस ही वही है, डोंट एसोसिएटेड इट विद द ग्रेड.
Yes, we are not associating, but how will we make children understand कि हाँ तुम लोग चिंता मत करो, हम लोग ये ग्रेड्स में नहीं इंक्लूड कर रहे हैं, ऐसा हम उनको कैसे वो फील कराएं?
So that is why these assessment techniques should be there in day-to-day practice.
अच्छा
है ना. दिस असेसमेंट फॉर लर्निंग का जो भी हम अभी सीख रहे हैं ना, पीयर असेसमेंट, सेल्फ असेसमेंट, इट शुड बी इनकॉर्पोरेटेड इन योर डे टू डे टीचिंग.
ओके.
And that is why teacher need to, that is why, wait, that is why teacher need to ask the question during the session, है ना. That is why teacher need to conduct the test, informal test, है ना, surprise test ले लो, कुछ भी ले लो. फिर that is why teacher need to give the home assignment to the students, है ना. फिर हमने peer assessment की बात की थी, तो we need to give them the group activity through which we come to know. So these are the various way which the teacher need to incorporate in his or her day-to-day practice.
हाँ, फिर habituated हो जाएंगे.
Yes. So once it is being day-to-day practice, see, अभी मैंने आपको जो example दिया ना, self evaluation का, सबसे पहले कौन सी क्लास का दिया? ऑनलाइन अभी दिखा है ना आपको?
केजी वालों का था.
केजी,
प्राइमरी, प्री प्राइमरी.
प्री प्राइमरी स्टूडेंट्स का एग्जांपल मैंने दिखाया. That means from this initial stage, this technique should be introduced to the students. So once they are in this format, तो then आप जो आपने previous class में भी question पूछा था ना कि कोई मुझे ये grade देगा, तो major issues we are facing during peer assessment, कि we are not taking the feedback in the positive manner. Students are not taking. तो अगर if this is the practice in the initial stage of this learning, they can take all the feedback in a positive manner. They can give the constructive feedback to their own peers, है ना? And they will involve themselves in a self-assessment also. Clear, Rinki? And everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I want to ask one thing.
Yes, Maria, your
rating
voice is
assessment-
breaking.
मैम रेटिंग असेसमेंट है, क्रिटिकल इंसिडेंट है, फील्ड रिव्यू है, परफॉर्मेंस टेस्ट एंड ऑब्जर्वेशन है, ऐसे असेसमेंट है, असेसमेंट है, ये सभी अभी आएंगे सेल्फ असेसमेंट के साथ साथ, पीयर असेसमेंट के साथ साथ.
Mariam, your voice is breaking.
मैम मैं ये पूछ रही हूँ कि ऐसे असेसमेंट है, परफॉर्मेंस टेस्ट एंड ऑब्जर्वेशन है, फील्ड रिव्यू असेसमेंट है, क्रिटिकल इंसिडेंट असेसमेंट है, क्रिटिकल रेटिंग असेसमेंट है, ये सब भी अभी साथ साथ में आएंगे या अभी नहीं आएंगे?
For what?
इवैल्यूएशन में मैम आपने जैसे पीयर असेसमेंट और सेल्फ असेसमेंट सिखाया,
Yes.
वैसे ये
हाँ.
सब असेसमेंट अभी आएंगे या अभी नहीं आएंगे?
Third unit में you will learn all this assessment.
ओके मैम.
परफॉर्मेंस टेस्ट एंड ऑब्जर्वेशन. ऑब्जर्वेशन मेनली क्या होता है, वो सेल्फ असेसमेंट टेक्निक में नहीं आएगा. मेनली ऑब्जर्वेशन इज डन बाय द टीचर्स.
टीचर टेस्ट एंड ऑब्जर्वेशन.
Peers and peers. Observation technique mainly used by the teachers and the peers, है ना? But
मरियम
yes,
सब जान लेना अभी.
मरियम तूने जो बोला ना रिव्यू टेक्निक,
यस मैम,
है ना, that comes under all three category: tier assessment, peer assessment, and even the self assessment also. But we need to prepare the students that how to do the review of their own work.
Okay.
Okay. Is there any other doubt?
No, ma'am.
I think today
No, ma'am.
sir has also joined. Patel sir?
Yes, Bhumika, in fact, I was enjoying the discussion.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, at some point of time, I thought I should intervene, but then I did not.
Okay, sir. Just I
And
saw
it-
your name
and-
while downloading.
And for some time, in fact, I had to go out also. And that is how I have put my video off.
Okay. So, sir, आपका ऑब्जर्वेशन अगर ये सेल्फ असेसमेंट साथ में चल ही रहा है तो?
But मैंने, because I have not continuously, I was not continuously here. So
Okay,
I
sir.
will not say anything now.
Okay, sir. So, students?
But I am happy that, excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Students are asking question and doubt. This is a
Yes,
good
sir.
sign.
Yes, sir. They are in every class. They are asking the questions. Okay, students. Then in the next class we will see the student profile rubrics in a detail. Okay, and still your homework is pending. You need to prepare at least one checklist of your own subject. Try to prepare it. Okay, whatever the
Okay, ma'am,
difficulties
sure.
you face,
Okay, ma'am.
whatever.
Okay, ma'am.
अगर आप 2 पॉइंट भी लिख पाते हो अपने चेकलिस्ट में तो चलेगा, बट एटलीस्ट ट्राई टू प्रिपेयर दिस इवैल्यूएशन सीट, peer evaluation sheet. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Then. Bye, everyone. Yes, yes. Someone was asking.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Say your name. Please say your name. Ha, Prabhat. Yes. Yes, Prabhat. Hi, yes. Yes, yes. Prabhat, it's not like our students are capable or not. It is the duty of teacher to make them capable to evaluate themselves. And that is the assessment for learning. See, when the students come to you, you may have that the different kind and different level of the students with you. Many students they can do on their own and they are doing. जैसे कि अभी तक आपने सेल्फ असेसमेंट अभी पढ़ा, लेकिन आप में से बहुत लोग एक्चुअली सेल्फ असेसमेंट टेक्निक यूज करते आए हैं. आपको ये पता नहीं था कि वी आर यूजिंग दिस टेक्निक, है ना? है ना?
Right, ma'am.
हाँ.
हाँ. नेम नहीं पता था, बट वी ऑलरेडी डिड.
हाँ. तो ऐसे हमारे क्लास में ऐसे स्टूडेंट होंगे कि बिफोर द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ सेल्फ असेसमेंट दे नो, बट कुछ बच्चे ऐसे होंगे ना कि जिनको नहीं पता है. तो टीचर्स का ड्यूटी ये है कि हमको सबको साथ में लेके चलना है. So it's not about that the capability and ability of the students. It is the duty of the teacher to make them capable to evaluate not only themselves but also to evaluate their own friend. And that is why. Clear? Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay then.
Ma'am,
Yes.
it is compulsory that we have to go for peer assessment first and then self assessment.
Yes, that is advisable.
Oh.
Because many a time और disturbance आ रहा है. किसने ये क्वेश्चन पूछा?
Ma'am, Preeti here.
Preeti, okay.
Yes,
it is advisable that we first introduce the peer assessment. क्योंकि ना बहुत सिंपल सा लॉजिक है. अगर आपको बोले ना किसी और को क्रिटिसाइज करो, सब शुरू हो जाएंगे.
Right,
but when he asked that,
Right, ma'am.
है ना? So that is why it is advisable कि अगर शुरू से ही हमने बोल दिया कि आपका खुद का इवैल्यूएशन करो, तो many students hesitate, है ना? तो वो खुल के नहीं बोलेंगे. लेकिन जब आपने peer assessment शुरू कर दिया क्लास के अंदर, imagine the situation. Now everyone is evaluating the others. Everyone is giving the feedback to the others on their learning. है ना? जैसे कि एक प्रेजेंटेशन क्लास में हुआ, सबने दिया, तो अभी क्लास का एक एनवायरनमेंट बन गया है. एवरीवन आर इन दी लाइक इन द पोजीशन टू इवैल्यूएट द अदर्स. ओके, सो स्लोली क्या वो अपने आप को भी इवैल्यूएट करेंगे, है ना? दैट इज व्हाई इट इज एडवाइजेबल दैट फर्स्ट इंट्रोड्यूस द peer assessment and then slowly go for the self assessment.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt कि self assessment में feedback.
Say your name.
Ma'am, रिंकी शुक्ला.
हाँ रिंकी बोलो.
मैम सेल्फ असेसमेंट में फीडबैक दिया जाएगा?
सेल्फ असेसमेंट में who is doing the assessment?
मैम हम खुद ही करते हैं.
हाँ, ओके, तो फीडबैक भी कौन देगा?
मैम लेकिन वो फीडबैक इन द सेंस जो हम बनाएंगे रिपोर्ट. हाँ
फीडबैक रिंकी, योर क्वेश्चन इज वेरी वैलिड, है ना। जैसे कि मैंने अभी आपको एक सीट दिखाया, ठीक है, कि बच्चे ने खुद असेसमेंट सीट करके आपको कंप्लीट दिया। नाउ टीचर कम टू नो कि ये बच्चा कहाँ पे डिफिकल्टी फेस कर रहा है, सो अकॉर्डिंगली टीचर कैन गिव द फीडबैक।
ओके।
सो यस, फीडबैक तो इन ऑल द असेसमेंट, फीडबैक तो हमारा सेंटर पॉइंट है, ठीक है। Yes. No. Try to use the word feedback, not the result. और वो भी in the next lecture we will see that what kind of feedback should be given.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
So can I end this class here?
Yes, ma'am.
And I hope
ma'am.
in the next class you will come with this one seat at least. Try to make on
Ma'am?
your own.
Sure, ma'am.
हाँ,
Sure,
yes.
sure.
Sonal, here.
सोनल, yes, बोलो सोनल।
वो आपने होमवर्क दिया है ना, वो एक बार हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन करो ना प्लीज।
सोनल, हाँ, होमवर्क ये है कि आप लोगों ने अभी सबने अपना मेथड सिलेक्ट कर दिया है ना। हमने बहुत सारी असेसमेंट सीट भी देखी, पीयर असेसमेंट एंड सेल्फ असेसमेंट वाली, है ना। तो आपको अभी अपने सब्जेक्ट में, मे बी आपका सब्जेक्ट, जैसे कि मेरा सब्जेक्ट अकाउंट और कॉमर्स है, तो मैं मेरे अकाउंट और कॉमर्स में एक पीयर असेसमेंट का सीट बनाऊंगी। आपका सब्जेक्ट अगर मैथ्स है तो ट्राई टू मेक इट इन अ मैथ्स, ठीक है। पहले अपने सब्जेक्ट में जाओ, देन it is not like that कि peer assessment and self assessment are used only for to evaluate the academic aspect of the students. It can be evaluate the other aspect which you have already learned in first unit, है ना, कि evaluation सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि बच्चों को सब्जेक्ट में कितना आया, we are doing the holistic evaluation, है ना, ठीक है। तो आपको जिसमें don't limit to it your content.
हेलो,
यस,
थैंक यू मैम।
मतलब शीट बनानी है, उसमें हमें वो देखना है कि हमारे जो पीयर्स है वो कैसे पढ़ा रहा है, कि हमें वो देखना है कि कितना आ रहा है कितना नहीं आ रहा है, उसके मतलब वो क्राइटेरिया है।
नो, सी, आपको अभी मैंने बोला था ना लास्ट क्लास में, नाउ यू हैव टू थिंक फ्रॉम टू पर्सपेक्टिव। ये असाइनमेंट आपको किस पर्सपेक्टिव से बनाना है, टीचर्स और स्टूडेंट के, टीचर्स पर्सपेक्टिव। कंसीडर योरसेल्फ एज अ टीचर। अभी ऐसा सोचो कि आप एक टीचर हो स्कूल के अंदर और आपको पीयर इवैल्यूएशन के लिए एक सीट बना के अपने स्टूडेंट को देनी है। वो सीट आपको बनानी है यूजिंग द चेकलिस्ट, ठीक है। क्लियर?
ओके, क्लियर मैम।
थैंक यू एवरीवन।
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye everyone. Have a nice day.
Bye ma'am.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Good day.
Bye.
Ma'am.